Hello. We started working on reading a novel, and a lot of you said that it's too big, it's too much to read, it's too much English. So you talked, I listened, I heard you. And here is something I decided to implement to help you with the reading part. So, first of all, I added a new document into your novel reading the Western Game assignment. If you click on it, you will need to sign in into your account with your Google credentials, and it's going to take you to the novel the same way it looks in a PDF file, but now it is in the Word document. So the best part about this, now you will be going to view right here. So you will need to click on view, and then it's going to pop up. The next bar is going to pop up. Now you're going to Immersive Reader. When you click on Immersive Reader, it's going to open a completely different page. Let me erase this because we do not need this anymore. And now we have your novel, but it looks like this. So this is what you can do with novel looking this way. First of all, yeah, it looks a lot cooler because it has a really pretty color. Second, if you click on this bookmark symbol, you're going to have another page pop up. So this page allows you to set adjustments to the way you will see the text. You can translate your passage, your book into Spanish, into any language that you desire. Look at this. You can do it in Persian. You can do it in Spanish. You can do it in Swahili. And you can do it like this. Look at that. If you click on listen, it's going to read it to you in English.
Everyone.
And of course, it's going to read it to you in Persian as well. If your English is fairly strong, you can translate only specific words you do not know. If you do not speak English at all or very, very little, this is what you do. You go back to your book symbol and you click on document. And now your entire novel is in your native language. So when you do this, make sure you have your picture dictionary on. Make sure you have your by word if you know English well enough and you need just help with specific words, or you can click on entire document and it's going to translate for you the entire book. So then you can read it. It says, for example, here Spanish. You can click on original and it's going to give it to you back in English so you can look back and forth. See? And now you can read. So, of course, all of this is awesome. You know what is even better?
Capítulo 1. Sunset Towers. El sol se pone en el oeste.
And you can do the same thing, go back to original and click on reading.
The sun sets in the west. Just about everyone knows that. But Sunset Towers
Magic.
faced east. Strange.
How awesome is that? So now you can read your entire novel. You can understand everything. You can go back and forth between English language and your native language. Remember, you change it right here in your preferences. You can also find nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs just for fun, if that's what you want. You can change the font. Some people like different fonts. You can change the color. It's up to you. Now, make sure that you are setting your preferences in where it says reading preferences with a book symbol. After this, it's all up to you. You read, you go back to your assignment, you answer your questions in study guide, and you continue putting information into your Google slide. Remember, you cannot submit to me your Google slides if you did not read the novel. I will know if you just put something in without reading a novel. I read that book many, many, many times. So please be honest. That's a really cool book. We'll talk about the first 3 chapters of the book on Thursday, which is already tomorrow. So make sure you cover at least 3 chapters by then. And that's it. If you have any other questions, please send me a private message through your Google Classroom or email. I'll be more than happy to help you out. See ya.